Hi, it's our news and notes for the week. This is week 5. Here is where, as a group, we're going to split off for a bit for the rest of the term. Benchmark 4 is only required for those of you doing action research projects and school improvement plans. Benchmark 5 is only required for those doing action research projects. If you are doing a literature review for your capstone, you will only be concerned with benchmarks 3 and 6 as you draft your paper. I will email out the revised schedule broken down by project title again this week. It can also be found under benchmark 1. Your annotated bibliography is due this week for action research or school improvement project students. I have been checking it and updating you every few days so that you can see that your progress is continuing. If you are not making steady progress, I have also let you know. June 21st is the date for the literature review project annotated bibliography, as you are looking at 20 to 30 articles annotated as opposed to 15 to 20 for the other two types of projects. Most of you are continuing to edit your introductions based on the feedback that I provided last week. Use the feedback and the sample literature reviews to craft a strong introduction. When you are ready to resubmit, upload it to Blackboard. I will be creating similar feedback forms for other parts of the project as we progress. No matter which project you selected, each of you are writing a literature review. I provided an excellent overview video that I found that will act as a review of information that you received in your research methods course. I have emailed it out again, and I have also posted this to Blackboard under benchmark 3. In addition, if you navigate to the course information, you'll find a link to the Digital Commons, where hundreds of capstone projects can be found. Look at the length. Look at the format, look at the organization, and how the citations are used to support the main points. The literature review gives the audience a thorough understanding of the research that has already been conducted on your topic. And also remember that the rubric for the entire project is found in the syllabus, and this is a great time for you to be looking at your drafts and then checking it against this rubric. I have been praying for our group and for your prayer requests. During the past 4 weeks, your fellow students have showed and shared with me their illnesses, their relationship issues, financial strain, grief after losing a beloved pet, and fear of the future in their workplaces. My heart is heavy for each request, but I also have hope. And so the verse of the week is Psalm 3, 2 through 6, where David is fleeing for his life. God, look, enemies past counting, enemies sprouting like mushrooms, mobs of them all around me, roaring their mockery. Ha! No help for him from God. But you, God, shield me from all sides. You ground my feet, you lift my head high. With all of my might, I shout up to God. His answers thunder from the holy mountain. I stretch myself out, I sleep, and then I am up again, rested, tall and steady, fearless before the enemy mobs coming at me from all sides. I am here to help. Please let me know what you need. Reach out to me. We can schedule a phone conversation or a Zoom meeting. We can communicate via email. I'm here. I hope that you have a fantastic week.